Let's do it, guys. I went to the goddamn market, nigga. Market, your fucking ass, nigga. Fake ass, where you there, motherfucker? To the market, got me some tomatoes and goddamn onion, nigga. You understand? You did? Alright. We ain't got some goddamn chicken wings and goddamn some chicken thighs and some chicken beans. By this time, we're going to some goddamn chicken wings and some goddamn chicken leg, nigga. Chicken leg, nigga. No toes. No toes. No toes. You know, that's the ball right there. You see how that shit looking like, man? Pretty in your face, man. I goddamn fly that much, fly that shit first. I said, fly that motherfucker shit first, nigga. I'll fly that shit first. You know, that shit got in, season that motherfucker real good, fly that shit. I goddamn turn around, put another goddamn plate. Drip, add another oil in that motherfucker. Add another oil in that motherfucker, goddamn. Some goddamn onion and tomato, man. Goddamn, make it soup. Squeeze that shit, goddamn. Me mag with that shit, nigga. You on the pot, nigga. Goddamn. Yeah, keep on going, man. You gotta goddamn sleep on the goddamn pot, nigga. Don't sleep on the pot now. Don't sleep on the goddamn pot. Goddamn, put my goddamn fly chickens in the mouth. You know what I said? Get that soup on, hot some water. I goddamn sausage. You know, add a little pepper. You already know. Now we're gonna teach you the lesson, man. Yeah, nigga. That's my goddamn black burrito looking at. Yeah, go right down. Plan B. That's how you goddamn eat that goddamn one soul, man, where I pay your mail. Yeah, man. Peace, bro. That's how we